High five. Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Jed Scott here. Another nice hot day in Kansas. Actually got heat stroke the other day working on this stuff, but we're actually here to film today because we are going to start disassembling this engine, and hopefully it's not the news I'm planning on finding, but hopefully it's not too bad. So we're going to take this cylinder head off, and that's a lot of stuff's got to come off to get that cylinder head off, but we want to see what the bores actually look like. We did get the F20 running pretty good. Carburetor's having a lot of issues, so working on that off camera. We got all of our tools, at least the tools I think we're going to need: hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, picks, bigger hammers. So wish me luck, enjoy the speedy footage, and if I ever go or you know, just you know, it's bad news. So enjoy. Alrighty, so I apologize about the long speedy footage. The sun's kind of everywhere right now, so I don't even know what's a good camera angle, but as you can see, we have everything pulled off. It was those two and this head bolt, actually head nut on the stud. They were a pain to get off. We managed to get the water pump off, thank God. The lower water manifold, and let's just look at that. It is just full of nasty. Let's see, this is the actual water inlet. Let's see, this is that casting for the bottom of the radiator that's been laying out. I have another piece. Let's see, that's all junk. I'll show you one of the worst parts is this has a thermostat in there and it's completely rusted off. It's just destroyed. This has a broken chunk of casting. I did not do that, actually. The engine, well, that's what fell out of the intake. That's on the carburetor. And we're full. Oh yeah. Is that where that water was leaking through? Yep. The sleeve is actually rotted through right there. You know, I was wondering why water came rushing out when I took the manifold off, the water inlet. And I was like, oh, hopefully there's not a hole in the sleeve. Well, that ain't honing out at all. That's a great big hole in the sleeve. The other 3 cylinders, they're holding their fluid. Yeah, let's see, is there anything in here? Oh yeah, that's completely full of crap. This piston's actually rotted away. I can actually feel the top of the piston's like missing. That's a tragic shame. So yeah, that whole short block is basically done. The cylinder head, I don't know how much it weighs, but let me tell you, I've picked up a lot of heavy things in my life. This was probably one of the dumbest things I picked up by myself. So, water jackets are full of crap. The chambers, not great. Of course, we expected that much. It's pretty bad. You know, maybe this one should have just been left as yard art, but I don't know, I can't live with that. I mean, these valves are all basically toast. This one right here might be salvageable. So 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, 1 out of 8 might be salvageable. That's typical Scut Speed shop standards. All right. Oh, that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Luckily, most of the bolts actually came free. There's only one, that one right there on the radiator. I actually just ripped the shroud off. I got tired of trying to get to it. But everything else came up real easily. I mean, I didn't break a single bolt, knock on wood. I ain't got no wood, but it don't matter. It's all broken anyways. So, now, we get all this stuff sucked out of these cylinders and see just how awful the rest of them are. We know cylinder 2 is, well, it's seen way better days. We'll check in.